Guys, you know ukuthi the thing of Ungizwe apologizing to President EFF Julius Malema doesn't really mean anything to him. It's more like the apology, you don't have to mean it. It's just like whatever. Let me tell you, it's a strategy, the thing. There's nothing there. Because I'm sure it's just like, you know what, in a very March and March, we are for peace, and abantu busy they labeling March and March yezinto zabo and their own agendas and propagandas thina singene nawo nowhere lapho, because thina we are for peace. All we want is to fix our country thina as much and much. Uthi wena uthini ngami, just he added it leya nto nje ya 60 million awunikezwe ama-Nigerians uJulius Malema, but the apology, guys, we know very well ukuthi apology ungathi I'm sorry, uyabazi abantu abasho kanjalo, I'm sorry ke, they don't mean it. It's the same thing here. He doesn't mean it. Okay, sure. Justice, just like, you know what, he even said, Ungizwe vele, I'll never say anything to him. Defamation of character yami engiyenzile for him. Julius, I'm so sorry, but whatever. I'm telling you, mawumjwayele maybe uhleli naye, he can tell you, I don't give about that guy. Vele uyasdayisa lo muntu kuma-foreigners. He can do whatever, he can sue me, he can do whatever he wants. I don't give two hoots. So nje I'm just like umdlalo. I'm telling you, there's nothing there. Uyifunela nje ipeace Ungizwe nokuthakaza ukuthi ayiqhubekele nje nempilo yakhe aphuma phela. Abantu nje vele abazwana into endala kuqalanga today. They had some altercation, I think, in 2024 now. Even last year they had something abantu. They're always gonna have something now next year now, even before elections and after elections, they're still gonna have something. But Lo Omunye shot himself on the foot. He's sabotaging himself with Julius Malema. Like Angmaz, I think it's reached a stage to where he feels like I'm done actually with politics or whatever. I've made the money that I needed. Angsanandaba. Guys, there is no way this person around illegal immigrants. Unless there's something there. Emadlanga abasakubophi sebevele baxosha subs, and then you try and go to SCMA. Like I said, it's not gonna work to go to SCMA. Just go home. And most of them are old anyways. Like, and someone was asking Uguti, and who's next? Usinon. I really believe Usinon is next. Ushibiri, guys, Richard Chibiri, General Richard Chibiri. Cabanga uqoshele 70,000 rands that he got from Ken Matlal. That's it. Your life is done. It's over. But I guess his pension is not so shabby. You know, you can take that and run and stop with the same situations. That's not gonna work, bro. You're rogue. You're not right. Like, what's going on with you? Why are you just making life harder for yourself? You know? Just move on. Usinon is next. I'm here. I'm going to speak. General Shetrek, Joseph Asmi, just leave him. Just a bit. They're still investigating him because Ezaki Kandalige, they are so huge. Oh my word. This person has been suspended twice in his life. It saps. Gakulu Ushibiri was arrested for his association with Matlal. That's just the highlights of his dismissal. Fired. Same difference. I don't know if you heard, ne? Sinona was supposed to testify and then he fell ill. It looks legit, for real. But at the same time, guys, all sorts of diseases must also fanele ukuthi uye Madlanga. Khumbula naye was such a nervous wreck there. Exactly like Ushibiri. You've seen Ushibiri's photos. I mean, he doesn't look great. He's just so fried. He's just like, oh my gosh, we are police. Like, when you think you're untouchable. They thought they were untouchable. They never saw these days coming for them. They just like, what has just happened? Lumadlanga or Agupi, Uvilapi. Like, guys. I wonder if you take a job because you think you're going to be rogue, and then because you at the back of your mind, you're just like, oh my gosh, I'm untouchable. Usinona, they don't believe it. And Usinon is next. You remember Usinona wanted to resign from SAPS. I'm advised, actually, you know what? Don't do that, bro. You're very near to take your pension. Don't do that and go work for Ket Matlala. But he never really told Umkwanazi who is he going to be working for. He was just like, oh, my friend, my friend Kat Matlala has a VIP protection company that is opening in, was it Lesotho? It's Lesotho actually, in Lesotho. So I'm taking it up. Have you thought about this? I don't think so, bro. Don't do that. So Usinona was just like, you know what? Ngiyakubonga yazi wena General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, you are the best. I didn't take up that position. Bengizozisola. Ubuzozisola buka manje, you're gonna be fired nicely or arrested, and then you're gonna be fine because you have your pension fund. I mean, you're like, what, 58, 59? What's going on? Just imagine good disciplinary hearing, but they fire you there on the spot after you were a national general of organized crime. What an embarrassment. Oh my word, such a big position. And then now you run to CCMA like subs cares. You're not bigger than subs, but you in Totwane, you are an end. General Richard Shipiri went on to say, no, there's nothing criminal around Mina Nomatlala. Exchanging money is being my long-time friend. So there's nothing wrong with that. He's my friend. Like, you know, those type of friends. Like, just like, please. Can you please stop with that? There's nothing like that. 70,000. This is the reason why you're getting that 70,000 rands. You did something for them. There's nothing free, especially in Gauteng. So that 70,000 rands was actually a bribe. He's used to those bribes, this guy. It's not the first one. I think it's taken a lot of money from people, not just Matlala only, that we don't know about. But you want to get your MA, please. Stop. And then this 70,000 rands now, it's like some car loan. I'm just like, please, it's a bribe. Can you stop? At some stage, there was also a story so good. Usinona's son is working for Matlala, and also, yeah, so Usinona is definitely gonna be fired as well. No, he is. And also the son is actually Matlala bought like a property or helped him buy a property, like some couple of some criminal situations, rogue situations like that though. And at first, at Madlanga, Usinona lied a lot of times where Umbiseli Madlanga, the judge, right, the commissioner, was he, please, can you just tell us the truth? They were like, tell us the truth. You know this person. Here are the WhatsApps. You've been WhatsApping each other. You are close friends. You are BFFs. Literally, your bosom friends. What's going on? So, Ubaba Usinona, when he refused to agree, they are speaking and no Kat Matlala. Umbuyiseni Matlanga was just like, bra, nah, my WhatsApps. When you've cut ties with this person after Wambona, when they raided his house, Kat Matlala in 2024, what you guys are done as friends? Please, you guys are still talking. What are you doing? What are you saying? And apparently, there's quite a few officers that have been suspended. They were given notices about a week ago. And there's that Potchefstroom bust foot. So by linked lap, guys, how are you linked to Dagamizo and stuff like that when you are at work? You are supposed to protect South Africans. What are you doing? Guys, guys, thank you so much for always supporting this channel. I appreciate you guys so much. Over.